Good morning, this is Debbie with the Food Prepping channel, and this morning I am making something that I've never made before, but I've wanted to make because I have a waffle maker, so I'm going to make waffles. And I have had this for a good, oh my gosh, 3 years probably. It's never been used. It has been sitting. I had to wipe it off, clean it off, all this stuff, and found out that it doesn't come apart. And I was like, oh my gosh, but thank God it's been closed. It's been locked and all, because it really has been sitting for 3 years. But I'm going to show you how to make waffles. Hopefully it's not going to be hard, but this is a Farberware Waffle Maker, as you can see, Farberware. Alright, so what I've got it on, I didn't want dark waffles, so I've got it on like medium, getting hot, and in here I'm making a double batch. I'm using great value, complete buttermilk pancake and waffle mix. And I've got 4 cups of the waffle mix, pancake waffle mix in here. And I'm doubling the recipe, so it's 4 cups of the pancake mix and 2 2/3 cup of water. And then, I don't know how I feel about putting this much oil in it, but it says if I double the recipe, it's 2/3 cups of oil. Well, I'll go on and put it in here, just because I'm doubling the recipe. And then I have to mix this really good. And then I let it sit for 4 to 5 minutes after I mix it. And it says to mix it so there's no lumps in it. So, I mean, I've made pancakes all my life, but I've never made waffles. I like waffles. We used to have a place around here called Waffle House, and I think now all of them's closed. I don't know. It might be one down next to the truck stop. I don't know whether it's even down there or not, but that's the only place I've ever had waffles from. And besides the ones you get at the store, and I don't think these, in the freezer section, I don't think these are going to taste that way. I think they're going to be a little bit different from that. But anyway, I'm mixing this up, and then I'm going to let it sit for 4 to 5 minutes. And I need to spray. Let me turn you around so you can see this. It's got a little button right here that I push. Oof. Alright, like I said, this has never been used. So I'm going to spray this. I take it that you spray the top and the bottom. And I'm just using Crisco Original. Alright, and then I'm going to put this back down. And it says it's ready, but I've got to let the batter sit. So I'll bring you back. I'm back. Alright, I'm going to go on and put this in, and I've got a measuring cup that says a cup, but it might not be a cup. I have no idea on this thing. I haven't. Well, it probably is a cup, because that's not making it. Is that, how do you do it? I mean, just go around?
Yeah, like in each little square. There you go.
Alright, so I'm doing this. I'm bringing y'all along while I'm doing this. So, some of y'all probably have already done this before, and some of you haven't. Now I'm going to put the lid down and hope that it doesn't come out. Looks like it might. Alright, now, it's not saying ready now. Alright, I'm going to let these cook, and I'll bring you back. I'm not sure how long you cook it for, but I'll bring you back. Okay, I got to show y'all. I had to check. It's only been like, look at it already. It's amazing. All right, I'll bring you right back when they're done. Okay, I'm back. All right, these are done, and I've got these little bitty tongs that I'm going to use to get these out with. And I've got a pan here that's lined with aluminum foil, and I'm going to put these, I've got the oven heated up to 200 or so. I don't know how to get these out of here. To 250, I think. And these are going to go into the oven until I get all of them ready. And so I'm going to pour some more. Now I've got to spray again. Alright, I got to spray again. Alright. And then I'm going to put a whole cup of this in there, the mix in there, and spread it around. And it might be even more than, I guess it is more than a cup. About a cup and a half. Alright, spread it all around and try to get it evenly in here. Those turned out pretty good. I'm kind of excited. Kayla, my daughter, just came in and she said, Mom, I didn't even know you had a waffle maker. And I said, well, it's been here I really think it's been here longer, and I've had it longer than that. But I just haven't used it. Alright, so here it goes. Push it down. Alright, 5 or 6 minutes, 7 minutes. I mean, you can check it whenever you want to get it out. It's your, whether you want it light or dark or medium, which is what I'm doing ours. Alright, so I'll bring you back. This is Journee. This is my granddaughter. Might know she's yawning. Look, say coo. Is it talking to Grandma? Talk to Grandma. Don't you get all fussy now. Regina, my nurse, is holding her. Kayla and Caden are outside, so I just wanted to show y'all my new granddaughter. She's 6 weeks old now. Aren't you? Aren't you 6 weeks old? Isn't she so pretty? I just love her to death. Yes, you could talk to us. You could talk to us. Alright, I wanted to show you Journee. Bring you back. Okay, I'm back. Alright, I gotta hurry up. Everybody's waiting to eat, so I want to try this. This is my first homemade waffle. I'm so excited about it. Let's see what it tastes like. Oh, gosh. Alright, that's better than any of the frozen ones that you can get. Oh, wow. That's awesome. Alright, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. And look below for different links. For my Facebook, my Twitter, and Zaycon Farm Fresh Meats, and there'll be links below also that you can click on and purchase things at Amazon. Doesn't charge you any more. You pay the same as if you were clicking on it yourself. It just helps the channel out and helps me buy the food and stuff to cook for y'all. So I'll talk to you later. You have a good day. Bye.